Hold on, Army, for a second, because what's really going on behind the closed door of BTS Next Era? Are they dropping a surprise Stadium Rock album? Or is it an unpredictable multi-city tour heading to regions where they have never visited before? Will we finally get subunit albums like dedicated to J-Hope or explosive rap lines? Maybe are members going to transition into the major exclusive and producing roles in their 30s? How will they balance massive group comebacks with their individual solo regions? And what if everything you thought you knew about their next chapter is completely wrong? If you think that you know what BTS is going to do, you need to pause right now, because everything about the military K-pop industry is about to change. Today, I am breaking down the absolute biggest future prediction for BTS. Let's start with prediction 1, and it's the biggest rumor sending shockwaves across the fandom, a complete evolution of their musical sound paired with new tracks. Look at what happened during their solo era. RM went deep, Jungkook shattered pop records on global chart, we bought smooth jazz, and while Suga, Jimin, J-Hope and Jin proved their individual creative power. Now, when you bring 7 mature, evolved artists back into one studio, they aren't going to duplicate their older sound. Well, prediction point towards a heavy stadium rock mixed with classical BTS hip. Number 2. Forget everything you knew about previous world roads, because industry analytics expect Hype to plan unpredictable world tours spanning from North America, Europe, East Asia, and potentially brand new unexplored stop across Latin America and South Asia. Imagine the energy of thousands of South Asian army experiencing a live BTS concert for a very first time in iconic venues. For new global territory, just mark these all places, because BTS is going to have a big world tour where they will break every single attendance record in music history. So mark the dates. So let's talk about prediction number 3. Oh, I'm really excited for this prediction. Okay, I think that this is going to be golden era of subunits, allowing them to stay active without exhausting their schedule through official Taekook rap line or vocal lines releases. I think we're going to see many subunits here like Taekook. Now let's come towards prediction number 4, the solo life of our artist. Well, RM loves arts, books and deep thought. So he will visit art galleries, write deep and meaningful songs, and work together with famous musicians from different countries. By the way, what do you think that our leader is going to do next? Now let's come towards Jin. Jin is super funny and charming, so of course he will shine on TV shows, host big awards events, or sing in drama and maybe even act in movies. Jimin on the other hand has beautiful vocals and smooth dance moves. So of course he will focus on emotional songs, unique artistic videos and appearing in major fashion arts, of course. And J-Hope is all about energy, style. He will keep performing at huge music festivals, showing off his amazing dance moves and work with the top fashion brands, of course. Suga on the other hand loves making music behind the scene. He will focus on producing and writing big hit songs for other famous singers around the world while also making his own music. Now let's come towards V, who have huge fandom. Okay, so we love smooth, relaxing jazz and vintage style. So of course he will make calm R&B and jazz songs, or maybe shoot cool aesthetic fashion photos and maybe try acting again. Jungkook, the youngest member of BTS, is a total pop star, so he will keep working catchy English pop songs, working with big global producers and breaking massive streaming records on the charts. Prediction number 5. Drive straight into their long-term legacy and how they are redefining what it means to be a senior group in musical history. Having already renewed their commitments, BTS will transition into a curated seasonal schedule, focusing on event-style albums, drop stadium tours, and redefining global pop culture for decades to come. This next chapter of BTS isn't just a milestone for ARMY. It is a historic moment for the entire global music scene. But now I want to hear from you, which of these predictions do you think will come true first? Leave your absolute boldest prediction in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe and turn on the bell icon and leave like on this video. Booyah!